Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming something a little bit different. Well, actually a lot of bit different for me. A little bit controversial. Because, you know, Marlena Style just put out a very good video, and I'm sure you guys know who that is. She is the owner of Makeup Geek Cosmetics. She just put out a video last night, and it really kind of made me reflect on my history in makeup and the beauty community that I remember and where it's come to now. So I will never forget when I first started, or when I first wanted to film YouTube videos, okay, let's just rewind. I have always had a love for hair and makeup. Even when I was a little girl, I was like, I'm gonna own my own salon one day, you know, whatever. My mom was like, go to college, get a degree, you know, then you can go to cosmetology school or whatever. So I went to college, got a degree, still went back to cosmetology school. I'm in a lot of student debt, so kids, if you're watching this, follow your heart. Anyways, I've always known I wanted to do hair and makeup. I love this industry. I loved watching my mom put on makeup when I was a little girl, and I actually used to go and steal her makeup out of her bag and like put it in the room. She'd be like, oh, where's that? I'm like, I don't know. What are you talking about? You must have lost it. And here I was like hoarding all of her makeup. I always knew that this is where I wanted to be. So I think it was my husband, actually. We were dating in high school, and he was like, oh, you should like look up makeup on YouTube. And I was like, what is YouTube? I've never even heard of that. So I started looking, and the first makeup artist I came across was Candy Johnson. And I loved her. I loved how real she was, how down to earth she was, how kind and genuine you could honestly tell that she was. And then, you know, it was like Nicole Guerrero and Love Melissa Michelle, ALH Sander, which is Ashley Sanders. You know, and those were the girls that I loved. Like, they were amazing and just so relatable. And I remember sitting down with my family because I started, you know, my makeup collection, and I started ordering things. So, you know, it was kind of like an ongoing joke. Like, I was ordering so much makeup. I remember we were like all in my room one day. It was me, my brother, my two brothers, my boyfriend, which is now my husband, and one of my brother's girlfriends. And we were like sitting in this room, and I was like, so guys, like, I was thinking I want to do like makeup videos on YouTube. And at this time I had already like filmed makeup videos, but I like didn't tell anybody about it. And they were like, okay, why would we care? And I was like, well, because like, I don't want you guys making fun of me, and I'm like really conscious about it, and I just don't want to be made fun of, and I know you guys will make fun of me, like, please don't make fun of me. And they were like, Courtney, we don't really care. And honestly, like, we'd never watch them anyways, so why would we care? And I was like, oh, okay, cool, I got some real supportive brothers. But you know, I never had a sister growing up. Like, I had my brothers, and that was that. And they're cool, I love them, don't get me wrong, they're the best brothers. I seriously would not trade them for anything in the world. But at the same time, they're brothers, and they could care less about like hair, makeup, anything. They don't care. So I remember my brother's girlfriend was like, girl, yeah, do it. Like, your makeup always looks good. Like, do it, you know? And I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna do it. And then I'd film one video, and like 2 months later I'd film another video, and 3 months after that I'd film another one. I was like, it's fun because I love like filming, I love helping, and I kind of did it on and off up to today. I mean, I haven't filmed a video since before my baby was born, and she was born in January, and it's now August. And I remember it was actually the night before I went into labor, I filmed 3 videos, and it was like 3 o'clock in the morning, and then I went into labor the next day, and when I got home from the hospital I edited and like was uploading them slowly. So like, that's how I got started. And back then, like, the beauty community was so much different than it is today, and it was literally people helping people. Like, that's why I started. I wanted to help one person. I didn't care if I, you know, had multi-million followers. Like, I didn't even think there was even like 100 people that even knew what YouTube was. So I didn't care if I got, you know, millions and millions and millions of followers. Like, I remember, you know, people writing me and being like, wow, I never thought about, you know, using this that way or using that this way. Or, you know, one of my hair tutorials was with Numi, and Numi contacted me and was like, wow, girl, good job. It's beautiful. It's amazing. You know, we love it. And the Numi wand that I had bought, I didn't even buy from them. I bought it at TJ Maxx. It was on sale for $15. So, you know, it wasn't what it is today. And it's really sad because ever since my daughter was born, I've been wanting to get back into filming and doing makeup and finding my love for makeup again. And then like all this drama started happening, and it was like, you know, if you're a smaller YouTuber, like, you're never gonna get recognition. If you're a smaller makeup artist, you're never gonna get recognition. And it was really disheartening, and it really made you like not want to do it. Like, I'm like, I don't even want the recognition, but then it's almost like people would make fun of you, like, oh, you only have like 2,000 followers, like that's nothing, like who are you, you know, you don't know what you're talking about because you only have 2,000 followers. And it was like, well, what's the point of, you know, I want to help that person. And I started getting in the mindset of like, I'm not doing this, you know, here trying to do what I love and help you help me. Like, I love getting on here and I love filming, I love editing, I love talking to you. I've made a lot of friends through YouTube. There's actually like a group of like 5 of us girls from the same area. I'm sure you guys even know who they are. I'm sure you know who they are because a few years ago we did like a huge like Christmas series together. So, you know, I made a lot of friends. Like, I knew who these girls were before that, but we never talked. Like, we never, you know, hung out. And I actually work with one of the girls now, and I love her to death. So it was really different because I loved making those friends. But then I just got to the point, you know, whatever. And then YouTube ended up changing their rules about like, well, you have to have like so many watch times or so many watch minutes in the last so many days or so many months. And so many subscribers, and I have met all but like one of the criteria, so I got like demonetized, which I was like, whatever, I don't really care. And then of course I stopped filming. Like, I don't even know why, because I wasn't making a lot of money. I mean, I do know why, but I wasn't making a lot of money before the fact, and then they kind of like took this away from you, so I wasn't making any money at all, which was completely fine because I really was not making a lot of money. Like, it wasn't like I was getting a lot of money. And just like reviewing products and using products and just keeping my hands in makeup was really the only reason I ever started doing this. But then I became a mom, and all you mamas out there know when you become a mom, like, you put your life on hold. And it's not because it's like a negative thing. It's not like you're mad about doing it, because oh my goodness, I would do anything for my little girl. Like, looking into her eyes and just seeing her, I'm gonna cry, okay? Yeah, it's crazy. Being a mom makes you emotional too. Like, I never cried as much as I do now, but like, she is amazing. So I would literally put every single thing in my life on hold just to see her smile. So, you know, that gets in the way, and then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take time for myself. I'm gonna, you know, during her like 2-hour nap, I'm going to film, I'm gonna like edit, I'm gonna upload, and it's gonna be great. And then I'm like, okay, I don't want to. I was up all night with her. During her 2-hour nap, I'm gonna take a 2-hour nap, or I'm gonna do dishes, or I'm gonna clean the house, or I'm gonna do some laundry. So you do get away from yourself. And then all this drama started with YouTube, and I was like, why? Why do I even want to be a part of that? You know, I work in a salon, I do makeup, I have my hands in makeup and hair and products all day long, and then to come home and want to do it some more, which I do, but then to be scrutinized because like, this beauty community has turned a lot of people into negative, money-hungry people. And, you know, you do still have your genuine people. Do not get me wrong. I completely agree that there are genuine people out there doing makeup, and I'm not name-dropping on anybody because, like, I am so a stay-out-of-drama person, I don't even care. Like, even in my personal life, you can ask anybody. I don't give a shit. I don't care. I don't care. You're in drama. I don't care. You know, if I'm, don't get me wrong now, I do get upset, I do get mad, I do, I'm gonna flip my hair because I want some more. Yeah, look at that body. Don't get me wrong, like, I do get upset, I do get mad, I do get my feelings hurt just like anybody else, I'm human. But I unload that on my mom and my husband, so, sorry guys, my bad. But I don't care about Sally said this to Susie, who said this to Sharon. Like, I don't care. I do not care. And so when, you know, Sally said this about me, like, I was like, I really don't care. It really does not affect me. It doesn't bother me. I'm still gonna go on being happy. So then, you know, you see all this negativity on YouTube. You see, like, it literally seems like the beauty community is going downhill so spiraling quick that it's like, what is next? I mean, you know, they do have brand trips and everything like that, but guess what? They had brand trips before they had YouTube. That's what they would take their CEOs, their executives, their workers, their employees, and they would take them out and launch these new products. But now you're seeing you know, what was happening beforehand. So then people start getting greedy, like, well, I want to go on these brand trips. I want to be paid, you know, hundreds of thousands of dollars to do a video. I want to be paid, you know, thousands upon thousands of dollars to review a product that you have to send me for free. You need to give me a discount code that I need to make money off of. I need an affiliate link right now, or I'm not doing it. If you don't do that for me, then I'm going to talk bad about you. What is the point? If you love a product, be honest. Does it matter if they're paying you? No. If they send you a product, be grateful because they sent you a product. They sent you a great product because they thought, one, you might like this. Two, yeah, you do have a following, so maybe your following would like this product too. So be grateful that you're getting these products. And three, stop being so money hungry because you can have all the money in the world. You can be riding around on your little jet skis and your freaking Escalade, I don't know, what's a Bugatti, Lamborghini, and you're still going to be miserable on the inside because not money, not products, not recognition, not popularity, not fame, nothing is going to make you happy until you're happy with yourself. I will judge people solely on how they treat other people. So not really off topic that much now, but there are a lot of beauty influencers. I hate that word, that's so stupid. But there are a lot of beauty people who are just so ugly on the inside and it just like spews out of them. And that sucks. And you have to feel bad for them because there is something else going on in their life where they might be going on all these brand trips. They might be getting paid thousands upon thousands of dollars, but they're so unhappy. Where, give me my husband and my daughter and I will live on the street and I'll be the happiest person in the world because I have the two most important things in my life, you know? So you really have to find your happiness from the inside and really, where was I going with that? Mom brain. You mamas know, this stuff is no joke. You know, Marlena made a really, I didn't even know about this, but like people were charging like $60,000 for a video. And to me, that's nuts. Like if you are doing this for the love of makeup, for the love of education, for the love of your subscribers, your followers, why? I do understand charging some. I really do. Because you have this following. You need to make money. This is your job. This is literally your job that you are doing. So I do understand having to charge. But $60,000 for a video on top of getting the free products, on top of getting the affiliate link? Come on. Come on. Really? And I want to read you guys a post by KJ Bennett Beauty. Let me find it. I'm just going to leave you guys, I'll put his Instagram link down below. And I do love him. He is very, some people think he's like very controversial, but he calls people on their shit and that's what I like. I don't get involved in all of the stuff, but I do like some of the things he posts. But you can go to his Instagram and you can read this post that he has. It is thanking Marlena for doing the video that she did, for bringing awareness to people that she did. But he said a brand that he consulted with asked him to inquire about, or they asked him about working with a top-level beauty influencer. The influencer's management offered these options. So he could choose from, you know, these options. $25,000 for a product mention. $50,000 to $60,000 for a review, depending on how long the video was. $75,000 to $85,000 for them to give a negative review to one of his competitors. How sad is that? Do they even like the product? Because if you're giving a negative review, you should genuinely not like the product. Not because you want to make money. You don't give a negative review for somebody to bash their company, to bash their person, to bash their CEO because you don't like, or you want to make money. No, it doesn't make any sense to me. A minimum 10% affiliate link or code they can use on Instagram and YouTube. And okay, I think that's it. So I mean, like he says, it's like a mob like mentality. So you are saying like, I am going to bash somebody's company, bash somebody's product that I might have never even tried. I probably didn't even try that. But hey, let me bash it for you so you can pay me $80,000. Guys, wake up. That is not what this beauty community was ever intended for. This beauty community was intended to raise others, to uplift others, to help people, to educate people. Yes. You should be constipated. Ugh, no. You should be compensated for your work, and I am not downplaying that whatsoever. Yes, you should. But you should not go against your morals. You should not bash other people, other characters, other companies for the hell of making money. Guys, wake up. That's not what this beauty community was ever about. Now, I am getting back into YouTube. I'm going to pretend like it's 2008 and I'm just starting again. I want to help one person. If I can help one person, great. If I can help 2 people, even better. But I'm not here for the money. I'm not here for the fame. Shoot. I'm, the light of my daughter's eyes. That's enough fame for me. I'm not here for anything other than the love of makeup. So if you guys want to see some honest, some genuine makeup reviews, makeup products, leave them down below. If you guys see a new upcoming product that I need to know about, leave it down below. That was my dog. He's great. Come here. See if we can get him a little cameo. Come here, Bubby. Sorry, side note. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're okay. There's a bag on the floor. He can't walk around. Come here. You get up here for mama? You get up here for mommy? Okay, guys. Come on. Up here. Up. You say hi? You say hi? You say hi to the peoples. This is my dog, guys. He's about an 80-pound pit lab mix. He's my baby. I think he's just going to chill out here. But if you guys see any makeup coming out that you guys want me to review, let me know. Because with me being a mom, I try to stay up to date on all the trends, makeup, everything happening. It gets really hard. It's really, really hard to stay up to date on everything along with taking care of your family. Your big baby doggy. Your 80-pound baby. And let's get back to like old school YouTube when it was fun. There was no drama. There was no bullshit. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.